Bro, they stole my car, bro.
What you had?
Bro, I only thing I had was a Hyundai Elantra, bro. And they stole my car.
Oh yeah, they crack your shit over the USB.
Bro, I'm in New York. I come back from out of town. They like, I go to my apartment building. I'm like, damn, where my car at? They like, oh yeah, we forgot to tell y'all 3-4 cars got stole. What the fuck you mean y'all forgot to tell us? So I come back from out of town, mad as hell, G. I had went 3-4 months without a car. Then I cashed out on the A7 all cash for that motherfucking supercharged, know what I'm saying?
Big dog
I
shit.
was mad as hell. You think